The future of customer support is not just faster replies, it's about understanding customers' journey. AI can already help you write better replies, but with the right context, it can do so much more. Understand conversations, identify priorities, and help your team resolve issues faster. That's exactly why we built Fluent Support MCP. It connects your support ticketing system with your AI assistant so they can work with your tickets, customer history, and support conversations instead of starting from scratch. And if you're thinking, is Fluent Support MCP safe? The answer is yes. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol and is an open standard that enables AI assistants to interact with tools like Fluent Support securely. It doesn't give AI unlimited access to your help desk. You decide the permissions and always stay in control. Now let's see how you can connect MCP with Fluent Support. From your WordPress dashboard, open Fluent Support and go to Settings. Here, you'll find everything you need to make your support system AI-powered. Turn on the MCP for AI agents. Right away, you'll see your adapter status, MCP endpoint, and the tools your AI platform can access. Before connecting with an AI platform, you need to create a client account. Click on the button, and you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Let's create the account, then copy the credentials. Now simply paste them into the box. These credentials allow your AI assistant to securely authenticate with Fluent Support. The next step is even simpler. Each AI platform comes with a setup guide to help you complete the process. Just follow the setup guide for your preferred AI platform. Map the credentials into the required fields across platforms, and then save the configuration. And that's it. To confirm everything is working, restart your AI client. You'll see Fluent Support connected successfully. Whenever you want to disconnect it, simply disable the connection with a single click. And it's time to see things in action. Every morning starts the same way. A growing queue of tickets, customers waiting for answers, priorities hidden among dozens of conversations. Now, imagine starting your day a little differently. Instead of opening your inbox and searching through tickets, you simply ask, "Show me the most urgent tickets that need my attention." Instantly, your AI highlights urgent issues, returning customers, unresolved conversations, and anything that deserves immediate action. Need to find customers who've contacted support multiple times this month? Within seconds, your AI surfaces every matching support tickets. Looking for refund requests that haven't been answered? That's just another prompt away. And when it's time to reply, your AI already has the full conversation, customer history, and ticket context. It can draft a thoughtful response that you can review, edit, or send with confidence. AI handles the repetitive work. Your team focuses on helping customers. And that's what AI powered customer support looks like with Fluent Support MCP. At the end of the day, Fluent Support has always been about helping teams deliver better customer support. AI isn't a requirement, it's simply another way to make your workflow even more efficient. If AI isn't a part of your workflow yet, that's perfectly okay. Fluent Support works just as well without it. But if you're ready to move beyond AI generated replies and start using AI with real customer context, Fluent Support MCP is ready whenever you are. Give Fluent Support MCP a try and see how AI fits into your support workflow. You might be surprised how quickly it becomes part of your team's everyday routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WPManageNinja. And let us know in the comments, what's the first thing you'd ask your AI assistant to do inside Fluent Support? And if you'd like to explore more Fluent Support MCP yourself, check out the links in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one.